everybody, welcome back to my channel, Friday Fidgets. So in today's video, I did a challenge with one of my friends, and her name is Dessert4Life. She is a baking blog, and she may be getting a YouTube channel eventually. I'll be sure to let you guys know if she does. But yeah, so we decided to do a challenge where we have to go and get each other a food that we think the other person would like from the grocery store, and then a drink that we think the other person would like from Starbucks. So that's what we did today, and yeah, the audio might be kind of bad in the camera work because it was filmed in a grocery store. But anyways, before we get started, make sure to subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Hey, so I'm here at the grocery store, and I'm going to look for something to get for Dessert4Life. So let's see. I'm not sure what we're gonna get. I don't think we want to get one of these things. I'm gonna get. I think we're gonna get these and hope that she's never tried these. So yeah. Alright. I'm gonna get these. And now can I please get a tall iced guava passion fruit?
We don't have guava right now.
Okay guys, so what I ended up getting for Dessert4Life is this drink. They were sold out of what I wanted to get, which was passion fruit guava, which is my favorite. But I ended up getting one of my other favorites, which is a just a plain lemonade, and you add peach juice, and it's really yummy. So I'm hoping that she will like it. Okay, so this is what I got for Friday. I got a pink drink from Starbucks and Habu Starbucks. It has all the different pinks. Hope she likes it. So Dessert4Life is on the other side of the area, but here is what I got. I got these pirouettes and the peach lemonade drink. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this, more videos with my friend, because we were thinking of possibly making this into a series with multiple rounds. So I'd like to know what you guys think of that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Bye!